Ooh, here comes the cavalry. So everyone's claiming to invest in the U.S. You can hear my skepticism, Noah. To sell me on what the story is first.
Another week, another big company announcing a big investment in America, baby. GE Appliances this time, saying they're going to move some manufacturing from
Is this a
China.
30 Rock episode?
It's not that I can tell. Some from China, some from Mexico. Alec Baldwin seems firmly situated in the U.S. I don't know. Maybe he's been in Mexico. I think his wife maybe is from Mexico, or there's some controversy around that. Let's not touch that one. Anyway, I think $3 billion investment from GE Appliances. Uh, this is on the wake. It is right on the heels of Apple coming to Washington and Tim Cook presenting Donald Trump with that gold-plated gift, right? Famously, Tim Cook in the White House pledging $100 billion investment. Ben, these are like eye-popping numbers, right? They just everybody seems to want to talk about how they are investing big dollars in American jobs and American manufacturing. That's fantastic, right? Like I think we are big time bulls on onshoring, reindustrialization, making things here in the U.S. Absolutely. The question, as you alluded to, is this like the IDIQ of promises here? Is this a big ceiling but no funding type of announcement? Like, what does it mean? We saw, famously, I think it was the first week of this administration, the AI initiative from Jensen at NVIDIA, from Sam Altman at OpenAI, from the SoftBank, right, claiming hundreds of billions, if not, I mean, it was an insane amount of money that I think on Stargate that they were announcing, and then they've rolled that back and said, actually, we don't have all that money, or it's not there yet. And Elon did his little victory lap. The jury's still out, TBD. But we're seeing a lot of big announcements, a lot of positive press, a lot of photo ops with the president, and then to your point, how are we going to manage? How are we track and follow through here?
Yeah, I think this is my I hammer this home every week, but the details matter, right? So a couple kind of buckets of questions I have across this whole deal, right? And I think it really starts was, are they going to invest it? If they are, was this already planned and has something changed? And then let's see if it actually happens. What are the actual terms? So did they say they're going to do it and they're not going to come through? What happens if they don't come through? And what is the actual agreement? Where's the money coming from? When? What is the actual commitment? It's always fun to give a big check, but I want to see if the actual little check, probably not even a check, it's probably a wire or something, actually transfers, accounts.